steal here by the Brahmans. Torato on the right side gets the pass and scores. The most part. Pero finishing them has been a problem, but they give it away. Torato forward quickly to Ponce. Ponce able to get
A rare fast break points para sa kanila.
Guevara. Siya naman ang nakawala sa depensa. Shovel a pass. I don't know to who. Atienza decelerates and Atienza down. 9 seconds to shoot here for the Supremos. Pero his shot left short. But another Puso Pilipinas and on our Facebook and YouTube channels. Turnover. Take this challenge and use it to their advantage. Tivar nakabuelo.
Para sa buong UB Brahmans actually, wala pa sila, di pa sila nakaka-connect. That's
Yes, come a long way. James Torato able to get something going sa MCU. 2 seconds left. Somebody's got to take it. Rimo was blocked by Galamucho.
TU Supremos.
Baluyot kicks it out. Garcia will take the 3 and make it.
Para sa'yo tignan, mas maganda rin ang magiging resulta eh.
Another 3-point shot.
Siyempre, especially itong sila Rimo. Kaya talagang
Coach Arnold Cotorno has gone with
pakabilis ni Baluyot and he slowed down at the last second for that sidestep.
Oh, yeah, there you go. No foul call. The Brahmans on the run. Torato gets it back from Atienza to James Torato. Torato bounce past De Helo. No look. Atienza will lean in and Santelices, who gets the basketball here, puts up a shot right away. Siya naman ang ginugulo doon sa kanan. Ipaing Berhes. Nice pass by Torato.
Talaga yung nagpahirap for UV Brahmans to make shots.
Atienza leaves it for Alfred De Helo.
Capable sila of making a run for their team. Atienza calling the ball screen, finding his teammate on the corner to that three-pointer. Makes it! But the costly turnover and Daryl Garcia finishing on the break.